Here with the Market Action Report for Greenwich, Connecticut, March 2019. I'm Charles Nedder with the Nedder Group at Coldwell Banker. Currently in Greenwich, Connecticut, we have 430 single-family homes available for sale. That's up from 397 in March of this year. Good news if you're a seller, the sale-to-list ratio is up. We are at 85.2%. That's up from 83.9% just last month. And good news if you're a buyer, the price per square foot sold has actually come down. We're at $536 a square foot. That's down from $545 just last month. So if you're thinking about buying a home or selling a home in Greenwich, Connecticut, give me, Charles Nedder, a call at 203-983-7471. Myself and my team stand ready to help you with everything real estate. Thanks.